Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can retouch photos in Photoshop. So let me just double click on the photo first so I can edit it. Then I'm going to select the remove tool. You can use the spot healing brush tool or you can just select the remove tool. Let me just show you. So this is the remove tool and it's going to remove the area, but as you can see it's kind of blurred out. So I'm just going to do the spot healing brush here and it's going to basically detect the skin around. You can also use the patch tool if it's a bigger area and you just want to get it done in one motion like that. That's what I meant. I'm trying to find the words. There is also healing brush tool, but these are basically just the brushes that I use to remove any blemishes. I don't know if there's a smooth tool, but that's pretty much how you can do that. I think this is for colors. Maybe here you want to place it here a little bit and it's going to place that there. But I mainly just use the spot healing brush tool to remove any blemishes there are. And acne is normal, but this is just if you want to remove anything. It's super simple actually, but yeah, that is pretty much it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. This picture was from Pixabay. So yeah, that is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.